Best robot vacuums for pet hair: keep floors fur-free, reduce allergens, save cleaning time, and maintain a cleaner, healthier home daily. My today's video is about top 5 best robot vacuums for pet hair that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Dremel 40S Ultra CE Robot Vacuum. This advanced robot vacuum and mop delivers outstanding cleaning performance with its powerful 13,000 pascals Vormax suction system, making it ideal for homes with pets, carpets, and heavy dust buildup. It easily handles hard floors and deep cleans carpets while reaching dirt hidden in corners and edges. The all-in-one self-emptying power dock adds true convenience by automatically washing mop pads, refilling water, and drying with hot air, while storing dust for up to 100 days. Its innovative tri-cut brush prevents frustrating hair tangles by cutting through long hair efficiently, reducing maintenance time. Intelligent ultrasonic carpet detection automatically boosts suction and lifts the mop to protect rugs during cleaning. Smart Pathfinder navigation creates accurate home maps and smoothly avoids obstacles for uninterrupted cleaning sessions. The optional cleaning solution module further enhances automation for a premium hands-free experience. Overall, this robot vacuum combines powerful suction, intelligent navigation, and low-maintenance operation into one highly efficient smart cleaning solution. Now our second product is Shark AV2501 SAI Ultra Robot Vacuum. The Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum is an excellent choice for pet owners seeking powerful, hands-free cleaning performance. Equipped with strong Shark suction and a self-cleaning brush roll, it easily removes pet hair, dust, dander, and stubborn debris from carpets and hard floors without hair wrap issues. Its advanced HEPA filtration system captures 99.97% of allergens and fine particles, helping maintain cleaner indoor air quality. The bagless self-emptying base stores up to 30 days of dirt, reducing the need for constant maintenance and making daily cleaning effortless. With Matrix Clean navigation, the robot follows a precise grid pattern and performs multiple passes to ensure no spots are missed, delivering deeper whole-home cleaning coverage. The impressive 120-minute runtime is ideal for larger homes, while the recharge and resume feature allows it to continue cleaning automatically after charging. Built with Shark's rigorous quality testing, this robot vacuum combines reliability, smart navigation, and strong suction into one highly efficient cleaning solution for busy households. Our third product is Tickum Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo. The G8000 Max Robot Vacuum and Mop delivers impressive cleaning performance with its powerful 5,000 pascal suction, making it highly effective for removing pet hair, dust, and debris from hard floors, tiles, rugs, and medium pile carpets. Its 2-in-1 vacuuming and mopping system, paired with a large 450 ml dustbin and 300 ml water tank, allows simultaneous cleaning that significantly reduces household cleaning time. The ultra-slim 2.99-inch design easily reaches under beds, sofas, and cabinets where dirt often hides. With up to 150 minutes of runtime and automatic recharging capability, it handles large cleaning tasks without interruption. The robot offers exceptional convenience through 4 control methods, including app, remote, voice, and manual button operation, making it user-friendly for all ages. For cleaning modes, especially the efficient zigzag pattern, provide excellent floor coverage and consistent results. Smart anti-collision and anti-fall sensors help it navigate safely around furniture and stairs. Overall, the G8000 Max combines versatility, convenience, and reliable cleaning power in one efficient robotic cleaner. Now number 4, Dream D20 Air Plus Robot Vacuum. The D20 Air Plus Robot Vacuum delivers exceptional deep cleaning performance with its powerful 20,000 pascals Vormax suction, making it highly effective at removing embedded dust, pet hair, and debris from both hard floors and carpets. Its advanced airflow system ensures consistent suction strength for thorough everyday cleaning. The 2-in-1 vacuum and mop functionality adds extra versatility, while the adjustable electronic water tank allows users to control moisture levels for everything from light wiping to deep stain removal. One of its standout features is the 120-day hands-free dust collection system, which automatically empties debris into a large 4L dust bag, significantly reducing maintenance effort. The dual anti-tangle design enhances reliability, with a self-cleaning main brush and a side brush that resists hair wrapping, making it ideal for pet owners. Edge-to-corner cleaning technology ensures minimal mist spots by reaching tight spaces and walls effectively. Overall, it combines powerful suction, smart automation, and low-maintenance convenience for a truly effortless cleaning experience. And our last choice is UBPET Robot Vacuum for pet hair. The UBPET Robot Vacuum stands out with its powerful 22,000 pascal suction, offering exceptional deep cleaning performance across multiple floor types. With 4 adjustable suction levels, it efficiently balances energy-saving daily cleaning at 9,000 pascals and intensive carpet cleaning at full turbo power. Designed especially for pet owners, its anti-tangle brush roller and self-cleaning fleece system prevent hair wrap while effortlessly lifting pet and human hair, reducing maintenance and clogging issues. Carpet performance is another highlight, as it automatically boosts suction and adapts to surface changes while climbing high pile rugs up to 1.5 inches, ensuring thorough cleaning in every corner. The 360 degrees LiDAR navigation system delivers precise mapping, intelligent path planning, and real-time obstacle avoidance, all customizable through a smart mobile app with scheduling and no-go zones. Despite its strong performance, it operates quietly at just 60 dB, making it suitable for everyday use without disturbance. Overall, it combines raw suction power, smart automation, and pet-friendly engineering for a premium cleaning experience. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.